Hi everyone and welcome to FinTechnacy. Today I'm going to show you how to add a green screen on Capcut. So let's get started. In this tutorial I'm going to use the resources from the library. So for background I'm going to choose this one. I put it here, and for green screen I will choose this eagle, the eagle. Before the background also it should be in speed. How long is this? Okay, I will change this. They should be the same size. Okay, so we click on this video, then to video, remove background, and go downside to chroma key. Color picker, choose the background color, the green color, and when we play the video, we will find that the eagle is flying in the sky. So, if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you.